It is going to be a 4-step process to fix this error message. This site can't be reached. Each step is interconnected, so do not skip any points. Go to search bar and type services. Click here to open it. On this window, search for DNS client. So right click on it and click on restart. It will take some time to complete its process. Close the window. Again go to start. Then click on settings. Now click on network at internet. Select Ethernet option. Then click on change adapter option. Right click on your network icon. Go to properties. Select IPv4 or Internet Protocol version 4. Then open its properties. Check this option. In the first field, put in 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 in the second field. Now check validate settings upon exit option. Save the changes and close all windows. Now go to search bar. Type CMD. Right click on it and run as administrator. Now type these commands carefully. ipconfig/release and hit enter. Then type ipconfig/all and hit enter. Then type ipconfig/flushdns and hit enter. Then type ipconfig/renew and hit enter. Now type netsh set DNS and hit enter. Now type netsh winsock reset and hit enter. Finally type exit to close command prompt. Again go to search bar. Type run and hit enter. Then type ncpa.cpl and click on OK. Right click on network icon. Select diagnose option to detect problems to solve this issue. It will take some time to complete its process. Now close the troubleshooter and close all windows. Go to search bar. Type device manager. Click here to open it. Right click on network adapter and click on scan for hardware changes. Now reopen device manager. Expand network adapter. Right click on this adapter and update its drivers. Select this model and click on next. OK, now close all windows. In the next step, go to Chrome browser and type in the Google search chrome://flags/ and hit enter. And now click here to reset all default settings and then relaunch the browser. Open File Explorer. Select Computer tab and then click on uninstall or change the program option. In the apps and features, search for Google Chrome and uninstall it. Then using Internet Explorer, download the setup for Chrome browser and install it again. Restart your system, your problem will be solved, you are good to go.